In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom name before joining a meeting, whether you're using the Zoom desktop app or browsing via the web. Let's start by focusing on those of you who are using the Zoom desktop app, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux. It's really simple, but it's important to ensure that you don't click a meeting link directly to get started. Instead, open the Zoom desktop app itself. After you have the app opened, you'll see the option that says Join. Go ahead and click that. You'll notice a dialog box appears, prompting you to enter some details. What you'll need here is the meeting ID. If you have a meeting link instead, you can paste that into the field. Below that, you'll find a field labeled Your Name. This is where you enter the name you wish to display to other participants during the meeting. There's a little optional tip here. Sometimes you'll see a checkbox next to Remember my name for future meetings. If you prefer not to save your name for every future meeting, just uncheck that box. When you're satisfied with your entries, click Join, and you'll enter the meeting with the newly entered name. Now, let's move on to those of you who may prefer to use the Zoom web portal. This method not only allows you to change your name before meetings, but can also update it permanently so that it appears as your default for all future meetings. Begin by signing in to the Zoom web portal. Once there, look to the left sidebar, where you'll find the option labeled My Account. Click on that, and you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, on the right side of the screen, you'll see your name and icon. Just next to these, there will be an option labeled Edit. Clicking on Edit allows you to update your display name. Remember, this is the name that will appear when you join meetings moving forward. After you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. With that done, every meeting you attend will automatically display this updated name as the default. And there you have it. With these simple and straightforward steps, you can control how your name appears in Zoom meetings, whether you're jumping in from the desktop app or using the web portal. This can be particularly useful for those who might be sharing a device with family members or friends and want to ensure there's no mix-up with names during professional or formal meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.